start it?
Thought so. Moonwalking. Watch the drawer. Watch the drawer.
Oh, come and get it. Come and get it. Come and get it. Come on. Come get it. You want it? Nope. Bye.
Psych.
Come here. Come here. Hey, lady.
Audrey.
Put it back.
Please. Hey, could you put that top back in the drawer, please? Thank you.
Can you put these back too, please? Put it back. Go put it back in the drawer.
You put that back in the drawer, please, Mama?
All right, be careful with two.
Perfect. Ooh, you got two.
Multitasking.
Whoa.
So happy on it. All right, put it in there. All right, close the drawer now. Close it up. Close it up. Watch your fingers. All right.
Thank you, Mama.
Come here. Audrey. Come here. You want a cookie? Are you going to walk backwards again? Do a trick. Oh, there she goes. Back. Careful. Turn it off.
No.
Stop. It's really close up.
Is it?
Look at your nose. Look at Muffin. She just dipped her cookie in the water. In the dog's water.